King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey Sexy Lakes babes, if you are interested in learning how to make a blue raspberry Kool-Aid lip scrub, then keep on watching. So I'm only making 5 lip scrubs because I'm not selling these. I'm just going to end up giving them away to my customers when they make orders as a freebie. And I use 1 cup of sugar, and for 5 15-gram container jars, you only need half a cup. So only use half a cup of sugar and not a whole cup because you'll just have a lot of lip scrub left. So now I'm going to take my grapeseed oil and pour half of a cup of oil, if that makes sense. You're going to see how much I use, but I didn't use a whole half a cup of oil. I just used half of that. So now I'm going to use a tiny bit of this natural preservative that I got from TKB Trading. Now here's the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and add this blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid packet to add the color and the taste and just the overall fun part of everything of this lip scrub. So I definitely wanted it to have more of a blue color. So I'm going to go ahead and add this blue mica pigment powder that I have to give it that blue raspberry color. So as you can see, as I start to begin to mix and get that color in, it's turned into a nice blue raspberry color. So now that I have the color that I desire, I'm going to go ahead and fill my containers and show you guys how it's looking. this is the outcome of our blue raspberry lemonade lip scrubs made from Kool-Aid. It is so cute and it tastes so good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill the rest of my jars with the lip scrub and the sugar. And I'm going to also cover them with the sealant to protect any of the sugar from leaking or the oil from coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and have a blessed, prosperous day. See you in the next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring.